Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how computers works and what coding is. So in today's modern world, computers play a vital role and they are considered very accurate and smart. But are they really smart? Let's find out. So, the brain of the computer is the central processing unit, also called as CPU. So this CPU is basically a digital electronic circuit that is designed to perform simpler tasks. Simpler tasks like moving data, copying some values and doing some mathematics, nothing complicated. So to make it simpler, let's think of a pocket calculator like this one. This calculator can do simpler tasks like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. In the same way, a CPU can do simpler tasks like moving data, copying values and stuff. Now, is the CPU really smart? The answer is no. The CPU is actually a dumb machine that just follows what it is asked to do. For example, if you say it to move, it will move. If you say it to stop, it will stop. Simple. But the things that the CPU can do are very simple. But how can we achieve complex tasks? We can actually do complex tasks by doing sequence of simpler tasks. Let's get back to the calculator. Imagine you want to do average. Can you use this calculator to do average? Yes, you can. By giving the right instructions, the sequence of addition followed by a division, we can actually compute the average using this calculator. Now in the same way, if we give the right instructions to the CPU, we can do anything with the CPU. It could be just adding to numbers or even guiding a missile projectile. So, what is program? The set of instructions that we give to the CPU are what we call as program. Or in other words, programs are instructions or commands for the CPU to be followed. So what is programming then? Programming is the process of giving these instructions. Or we can also say programming is talking to the computer, talking to the CPU to be more specific, and telling it what exactly to do. So that is what program and programming is, and this is how a computer works. Thank you.